Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
I'm Courtney.
And we just bought a 36-foot sailboat down in Florida. I have no idea how to sail, and our plan is to teach ourselves. Well, we bought the boat for $8,500, and let's just say that we're practically broke now.
You're looking to go under that one there, right?
Okay.
I'm asking.
Yes.
Okay.
You think we're gonna clear height-wise?
I can't tell.
Actually, I think we should go to the one to the left.
I think so too.
Okay.
It's gonna be really close. I think we'll make it. Oh, we made it! Starboard side!
Oh, guys, so we just cleared our first bridge. This is the first time we've taken this boat out, and we cleared the bridge with probably 12 inches to spare.
No, not even. We cut it close.
At the last second, I'm like, we're going too fast to throw it in reverse, and we can't deploy an anchor, so I was just like, we're gonna rub, and we made it. We made it with the skin of our teeth, and right now we're cruising. We're averaging between 4 and 5 knots. 5 knots if I give us a throttle. Right now we have about 2.5 knots of current, and everything is going smooth right now. It is. It's sometime in the morning.
It's probably like 7 a.m.
Yeah, 7 a.m. So we have about 3 hours to get down to the
repair shop to Gulf Marine Waves.
Yep. And after that, we'll have it in the shop for about 2 days, pulled out of the water.
They're gonna do our cutlass bearing and mount our transducer for us.
Yep. And there is a lot of crab traps.
I know, we've been trying to go around them. I've been yelling at Ryan the entire time. To the right! To the left!
That's not yelling, that's sailor's talk.
Sailor's tone, babe.
Sailor's tone. And I'll tell you what, you can't be soft with sailor's tone. Right now our Navionics, if you want to get a shot of this, show how it's working. When we're at the boatyard, we're getting the transducer installed for our depth finder and fish finder, and then we can see how many fish are underneath us. But right now it is kicking ass, 4.6 knots, 206 degrees true. And that's our little boat right there. We want to stay in the white, and I don't think that's going to be too hard. If we could get out of our slip when we didn't hit anything, and we didn't come close to hitting anything, I think we're going to be all right.
Good boy.
The one problem I have so far is I constantly have to hold the throttle, because if I let go, it'll retract and then we kind of lose our throttle. So it's kind of a combination of looking, steering, holding the throttle, and making sure everybody's happy, which I am so happy right now.
Here, I'll show you guys the view over here from the front.
Yeah, I wish we had gotten that bridge with this camera. Don't fall, baby.
I won't.
Gave your stick.
This is where we're at. Check it out. Ooh. What is that beeping noise? Okay, do you want me to go back up there?
Off course alarm.
We're not off.
That's because I set a...
Okay, are you good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back up there and yell at you some more.
Yeah, I want to get straight into the thing, so I don't want to hit the bridge at a diagonal.
Okay, I will do my best to guide you straight. Do we still have our dinghy?
What?
Do we still have the dinghy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bernie,
Yes.
I almost hit that crash pot.
Okay, I'm sorry. I guess I didn't see it. Are you doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have binoculars. I can't see the depth yet.
Okay.
More to port. Go to port. Okay, that's pretty straight. That's pretty straight. I think it says 54 feet.
54?
I think so.
Okay. Should be okay.
Go to port. Okay, keep her centered. Okay, we should clear it. It does say 54. We should clear it. Oh. Oh, that's so close. We made it. That was it. That's marker 93. You're gonna have to go to the left so you don't hit that island.
Okay. I wonder if we should wait for this boat.
I don't know.
We're just gonna go for it.
All right. And we're going just dead ahead here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna stay to the right of that piling up there, the red one?
To the left of it.
To the left? Okay. Okay.
Vertical clearance should be 70 feet.
Okay.
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Will you climb up on the top of the deck so because I can't see? All right, that's good right there. How are we doing? Are we centered?
You need to go a little bit, I think, a little to the port side.
Okay.
Oh, we're not gonna hit it centered. We're at such an angle, actually. You need to go way to port, babe.
Okay.
We're not gonna hit this one as smooth as the others. Way to port. A little to port. There you go, that's it. We cleared it. Yeah.
We made it through another bridge and our mast is still standing. So it's been a good morning so far.
We should be on time to make our appointment.
We just got waked out by a speedboat flying past us, so that was nice. He's a real gentleman.
We're gonna experience that a lot. It is what it is. Here's where we're at now. There's the dog. Hey, Greg.
We have quite a ways to go. We have a very long time to go until our next bridge. And then after that bridge, we should be, I think, one more bridge after that. So we have 2 bridges, and that second bridge we're gonna go under next should put us pretty much in the boatyard, like right after that bridge. So once we go under the 4th bridge, we're pretty much home free.
Cool, I'll show you guys what we're looking at. Here's the front of the boat. Another little panorama. It's a really beautiful day, honestly. Sunrise and everything.
Alright guys, we had to make our first towboat US call. We were coming into Matanzas Pass, which is a very, very windy pass. And right when we were coming into the pass, my steering linkage broke. And so I had no steering, my rudder was pointed over. And we're right next to a beach in a narrow channel, and my sailboat just started doing circles.
Yeah, we did 2 full 360s just right in front of the beach.
Yep, and everybody on the beach was watching us, waiting for us to wreck out.
I thought we were gonna wreck out. I thought we were gonna beach ourselves.
I didn't know what was going on at first. I just knew that I had no control of my steering. And so I yelled up at Courtney to run up and drop the anchor as I threw it in neutral. And she was not able to get the pin out because it's really tight, so we got to loosen that up. But I had to run up there while she came back and man the helm. Not that there's really any steering to do.
I know, just sit here and watch us spin.
Yep, and so anyway, I was able to drop the anchor. First time we got to use our anchor, 45-pound Mantis, and that grabbed right away. So I have 60 feet of chain and probably between 30 and 40 feet of road. So this is kind of just an unfortunate situation. Luckily, we're already on our way to the repair shop, so we're just giving the mechanic one more thing to do.
I know, we were probably like, what, if we were motoring, we were maybe like 10 minutes out.
Yep. We
would have made it no problem.
We ended up, from doing all that, we ended up snapping one of our fishing poles. I had to take the top off the helm right here. So I don't know what exactly happened. I don't have the capabilities at the moment out here to fix that.
Yeah, like this literally just happened. We're sitting out here, anchored in the channel, waiting for our towboat to get to the boat shop. So
we probably have 30 knot winds, maybe gusts of 35. And so we are just praying to God that we don't drag.
Which we shouldn't.
Yeah.
And now we just wait about 30 minutes for towboat to get here.
Yep, so now we're just waiting for towboat. He's gonna motor us. We made it 80% of the way, 85% of the way. And literally as we were coming from the ocean into the channel, that's when it broke on us. So we're almost there, and we would have made our appointment at 10 a.m. no problem if this had not happened. But anyway, they're gonna tow us in there, and then we're gonna tie up to the dock. We found that Gulf Marine Ways. They already know we broke down. We called them. So now I just feel that gut-wrenching feeling in my stomach that this is either a simple fix or a catastrophic fix. At first, I legitimately thought that we lost our rudder, but then I started thinking, I was like, there's no way you could lose a rudder and start doing circles. So I knew the rudder was on, I just had no steering. Steering felt very loose.
Because it was non-existent.
Yep. So it's just a waiting game, and we're still gonna have a good day. We're gonna get towed in there. We're gonna let the mechanic do his thing for the next 2 or 3 days, and we're gonna go to the dog park and and let Jaeger run around. We have a friend picking us up at the repair shop. So
it's still gonna be a good day, guys. We saw some dolphins out here already.